Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where PowerPoint is not responding, starting, or opening on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult to resolve this problem no matter how difficult it seems. Here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window and then type the command power pnt sorry, space forward slash save and hit enter. Now this will open PowerPoint in the safe mode with all the add-ins disabled. Click on file, select options, go to add-ins, select manage com add-ins, click on go, check all the add-ins here, click on remove, close it, search for PowerPoint, open PowerPoint, and now it will work. Okay. The next one is to perform a clean boot on your system. And how do you perform a clean boot on your system? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is visible, then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart your system. Then you can update Windows. Right click on the start button and then select settings. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. And the last solution is obviously to repair Office. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps. Okay, now I will try to find Microsoft Office. Okay, I'll click on the three dots associated with it and modify. And finally, I'll select online repair and then I'll click on repair. I won't click on it right now, otherwise it will start the process, but you have to click on repair. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.